Well, good morning, folks. It's a beautiful morning out here. First thing I gotta do is catch me some minnows today. First cast, that's pretty good. Alrighty, that's enough of that. Well, hello, what's up everybody? Jesse with Southern Reels Fishing out on a beautiful Saturday morning here in Virginia Beach, one of the local inlets. It's supposed to be pretty chill current today. I'm going to go out here and fish the bridge during slack this morning, see what I can find, and then head back up that way, because I've actually never fished back up that way before, so I'm going to go exploring today once the tide starts going in. I'm gonna ride the tide, you know, because I'm kind of lazy. That's what's up today. We're just exploring, see what we can catch, and enjoy this beautiful day God gave us. Wish me luck. All right, y'all, I think I'm gonna use a lot of live bait today. I got fiddler crabs with me. I stopped and caught a lot of these nice mullet here, and I'm just gonna do some live baiting pretty much. I did bring some gulp with me, you know, just in case this doesn't work out. A few soft plastics, but for the most part, this is what I'm rocking today. I'm gonna get up here and start around these pilings and just kind of wing it pretty much. Excited, I got my sonar fixed on my kayak and also got my new upgraded rudder working. And man, I can tell you, it is a huge difference. Look at that. Some blues busting on them, I bet you. Anyway, I'm gonna drop down up here on these pilings, see if maybe there's some drum hanging out down here. And just start the day off, hopefully good. Really? Yeah, that was a big fish. It broke me right off. I didn't stand a chance. So this time I put 40-pound leader. I got about probably 6-7 foot of leader on here now, so I get hung up, I actually have a chance of getting him out, because he just cut my braid right off on the piling. Like I say, I'm using a big mullet too. The mullet's actually big enough to swim a half ounce of lead around. Puppy drum. There, finally caught something. Nothing special, but I'll take it. Alrighty. Current's really ripping through this section. Like I said, I've never really fished here before, but I figured these docks would hold something. I was kind of hoping for flounder, but there's definitely some puppy drum here. Just kind of staying up current of the dock and letting it drift up under it. Oh, get out of there. Gotcha. Nice little pup. Yeah. Pretty fish. Thank you. There we go. Yep, he got me wrapped. Got that leader on there now. It's gonna be. You're coming out. That's it. Yeah, decent one. Nothing wrong with that, y'all. That's a good drum there. That was a big mullet too. He tore that thing up. Beautiful flat drum. Okay. Beautiful spot, redfish. Well, y'all finally caught me a flounder, and my camera battery died right as I set the hook. Fortunately, that's how it works sometimes. 17 and a half. Okay. Save it. She's going crazy. How big is this one? It's 17. Big enough. That's not a keeper there. That's a pretty one of it. Crazy right now. Dang, you know, I think that's the worst storm I've ever been in, honestly. It was freaking gnarly. Sat right there on those rocks for a good hour and 15 minutes during the worst of it. It was crazy, crazy. I need 2 more flounder though. And I'm still 2 miles from the boat ramp, so I'm just gonna fish. Screw it. Let the current carry me home. So my plan is I rode the current in today and fished this area, and then we're gonna ride it back out. Didn't expect that storm. I mean, there was a chance of storms today, but I didn't expect that to come up that bad. Jesus. And then on top of that, it didn't move. It just sat still on top of us. All right, y'all, I think I'm gonna call it because I see another storm coming and I don't want to get stuck out here in another storm like that one earlier. So unless I change my mind when I get to the bridge, I'm done. Well, y'all, that was a crazy day. I'm heading back. I survived the storm. Got me at least 2 nice flounder. So peace out. See you in the next one.